Today, 55% of the world's population lives in urban areas. That number is expected to increase to 68% by 2050. With greenery reduced or gone, urban areas heat up. These so-called urban heat islands are estimated to have contributed 2 to 4% to gross global warming, and they exacerbate air pollution issues and reduce urban livability. Unfortunately, this isn't the only issue facing urban inhabitants. The impermeability of urban surfaces interrupts the natural water cycle and leaves the city vulnerable to flooding. This issue will be exacerbated in the coming years by the predicted increase in storm intensities in many areas due to the changing climate. So how do we prevent this? One way is that we can put our forgotten and neglected rooftops to work. We can green roofs in our cities to cool the cities, capture pollution, and to intersect rainfall and prevent flooding at the highest point possible, up on top of buildings far above the street. Green roofs are a simple, nature-based solution to climate adapt our cities and protect them from environmental, economic, and health-related damages. Green roofs provide stormwater retention. The purple roof concept enhances green roofs by adding in stormwater detention. But what is the difference between retention and detention? Retained water is held on the roof and never becomes runoff. Detained water leaves the roof as runoff, but at a reduced rate. Detention starts with a D, just like delay, and delay is a great way to remember the differences. Retained water does leave the roof, just as vapor, not as runoff. Green roof plants in the sun do all the work in retention. However, not all water can be retained, especially during repeat storms and extra large storms. Once a traditional green roof is soaked, it can no longer hold any more water. If the green roof is already soaked before an intense storm, water flows off the green roof as if the green roof were not even there, and this can cause flooding and devastation. And this is why projects need additional stormwater solutions that can temporarily delay water or detain it until the storm is passed and then slowly release it at a reliable and predictable rate. One great reason for delaying water to reduce peak flows is to reduce combined sewer overflows. Yes, that is when stormwater overwhelms the sewer and the sewer overflows into lakes, rivers, and streams. Detention or delay can also be matched with groundwater percolation rates to replenish the groundwater table. A purple roof compliance system has all the benefits of a traditional green roof, plus additional stormwater retention in that it stores more water and prevents runoff, and detention in that it delays stormwater until after the storm has passed, when it can release it at a reliable and predictable rate. You can view it as Green Roof 2.0. A purple roof compliance system is a stormwater tool that works at every rain event and can replace other space-consuming gray infrastructure such as cisterns and tanks. We all know how valuable urban real estate is, so these freed up spaces can be used for income-generating development to provide a true return on investment for the green roof.